I did, yes. Yes, loads. McMurphy in One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. It's too. No, I can't. It was so long ago. When I was in year 11. Yes, I did. I went to a performing arts college which is specifically designed for acting and performing. I went for RADA, Lambda, Mount View, and Guildhall, and I got into Mount View. They saw me as a sort of young juvenile lead male. My favourite part was oh god, what was his name? It was in Jerusalem. Oh no, Chris, I think his name was. That's really bad. That's bad. I was feeling confident. Lee Piper, that was his name. No, I was feeling confident. I was feeling nervous because I was suddenly up against my peers in a competitive way. Yes, great showcase. I did, yes. My highlights were getting to do film, getting to do theatre, and obviously my box cover audition. Get comfortable with the word no and just enjoy yourself.